Hello and welcome all. So today's topic is time, and in this vlog I'll explain you about two types of clock. First is 24-hour clock and the second one is 12-hour clock. And for example, if the time is given, how you identify whether it's a 24-hour time or a 12-hour clock time. So please watch the video till the end. So first I'll take the 24-hour clock. So we normally use the 12-hour clock to measure time. So the clock that we are using at our home is showing the 12-hour clock time. Okay. However, air services, railways, shipping lines, defense forces and television networks throughout the world, they use 24-hour clock. Okay. And below 24-hour clock dial may be visualized as the one given below. So if we see this figure, two types of times are given. So in normal clock we have 1 2 3 4 up to 12, whereas in a 24-hour clock after 12 midday, when comes 1 means 1 p.m, so we use 13 in place of 1. Similarly, in place of 2 we use 14, so it goes up to 24 hour. Okay. Now under the system, 4 digits are used to indicate the time. Now, what are 4 digits? In these 4 digits, the first 2 digits show the hours and the last 2 digits, it shows the minute. Okay. Now, the day starts at 12 midnight and is written as 0000 hours. Okay. Now here one table is given below, and with the help of this table I'll explain you about 12-hour as well as 24-hour clock time. So here one chart is given or one table is given, and first column 12-hour clock time is written. Okay, whereas in 24-hour clock 24-hour time is given here. So look at this chart very carefully. 12 midnight, and we have said earlier that the day begins at 12 midnight, so we can write this in 24-hour clock. How we write? 00004, this is also correct, or we can write 2400. Okay. Now in this 24 is what? 24 is showing the hours, whereas 00 is showing the minutes. Okay. Then next time is 10 a.m. So this 10 is what? 10 is showing the minute. Okay. So how we write this? We simply remove this, okay, colon, and we simply write 0010 hours. Okay. Now 59 am. Now 59, what? 59 is minute, because first we write down the hour and then we write down the minute. So here we simply write 0059 hours. Okay. Now come 1 am. So how we represent this? 01 means this is showing the hour and 00 is showing the minute. So here minute is not given, so we simply write down 00 hours. Okay. Then 2 am. So in place of hours we write 02. Okay, and minute is not given here, so we write down 00 in place of minute. So 0200 hours. Then come 5:30 am. Now in this, hour is also given as well as minute is also given, and when we have to convert this into 24-hour clock, we will change 05. Okay, and in place of 30 we simply write down 30 as it is given here. Okay, and we'll write down hours. Then 11:15 am. Okay, so we simply write down 11:15 hours. Then comes 12 noon. So here hour is given but minute is not given, so I simply write down 12 and in place of minute 00 hours. Okay. After that comes few rules to convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Now what is rule number 1? Time from midnight 0000 means 12 am. Okay, hours to 12 noon. Now if the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is less than 12. So here we are talking about 24-hour clock. So in this, if the number that is formed by the first two digits from the left, means hours they are talking about, okay, is less than 12, then it denotes the number of hours before noon, and so am is to be used with it. It means it is showing the time before noon, so we use am when we convert this into 12-hour clock. This I'll explain you better with the help of an example. Okay, now here 0535 hours is given. Now 05 is what? 05 is a time before 12 noon, okay, and we have to convert this into 12-hour clock. So as per the rule, if it's less than 12, okay, then we use am, so we have to convert this into 12-hour clock. So this 05 will convert into 5, and this is 35 minutes. So we write 5:35 am. Okay, then next is 0920 hours. Again in the 09 is less than 12, it means we'll use am, so 9:20 am. Okay, in the same way 11:59, it means it is less than 12. Okay, so we write down 11:59 am. Then comes rule number 2. 1200 hours denotes 12 noon. Okay, so if this is given, it means this is what time is, this is 12 noon. Then comes rule number 3. Time from 12:01 to 12:59 hours. Now if the number formed by the first two digits from the left of the 24-hour clock time is 12 other than 12:00, then pm is to be used with it. Okay, now if the number formed by the first two digits, means they are talking about hours, okay, is 12 other than 1200, okay, then pm is to be used with it. Now let's take few examples. Here 12:01 hours is given, so this number is what? This is 12. It means it denotes pm. Okay, so 12:01 means 12 hours and 1 minute, so here we use pm. Okay, then 12:45, it means 12:45 pm, because 12 is given here in all the three examples. Okay, so we use pm here. And after that comes last rule, that is rule number 4. Now time from 1300 hours to 2400 hours, means if the number formed by the first two digits, means they are talking about hours, okay, from the left of a 24-hour clock time is 13 or more. Okay, for example, if the number here that is showing the hour that is present left hand side is more than 13 or more than 13, then the difference between the number and 12 given the number of hours and pm is to be used with it. Okay, it means what? If at hours place 13 or more than 13 is given, means we have to subtract this number that is given at hour place from 12, and whatever comes is become the will become the hour. Okay, like here 1300 hour is given, it means we have to subtract this 1300 from 12, this 13 from 12, so 13 minus 12 comes out 1. Okay, here we talk about hours. Okay, we don't have to touch the minute, so 13 minus 12 comes out 1, so 1 pm, and we have to use pm here. Okay, now 17:45, so this 17, this is at our position and this is more than 13, means we will subtract this 17 from 12, so 17 minus 12 comes out 5. Okay, so 5 and 45 pm, this is hour, this is minute. Then next is 23:59, so again this 23 is more than 13, so 23 minus 12 comes out 11, so 11:59 pm. Okay, now again 2400 hours, we simply have to subtract this 24 from 12 and we'll get to 12, that is midnight. Okay, so this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it. See you very soon in my next vlog. Till then, take care and keep practicing.